Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Let's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous. On the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, blow. Step back to reality, oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes gravity. Give up that, is he know? He won't have it, he knows. Let's hold back to these ropes. It don't matter, he knows that, but he's broke. So stagnant, he knows when he goes back to this over home. That's when it's back to the left again, yo. This whole rhapsody better go capture this moment. Hope it don't pass him. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only got one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in your life. You better lose yourself.
Rap is bad. Hip hop is back on the map.
Lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only got one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity.
मानने लगे कि जब आप वापस आईं तो मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए सोने लगा था। मेरी आंख लगी और नींद में आवाज आई कि आपने अल्लाह के एक दोस्त का जनाजा पढ़ाने से कैसे इनकार किया। अल्लाह अकबर। यहाँ निदामत के दो आंसू क्या गिरे, वहाँ मगफरत का फैसला हो गया। मेरा रब बख्शने वाला मेहरबान है। अल्लाह पाक हम सब पर रहम करे और हमें बख्श